Fall ball continues right here at Rockerbie Ranch this week. Tournament Director Bart Bird on hand. What can we expect this week at Rockerbie Ranch?
Jim, we got some great teams coming this weekend, 9s, 10s, and 14s from all over the state of Texas, and we got a national team from Oklahoma coming in this weekend, 14U.
I can hardly wait to see that. Home Run Derby?
Home Run Derby on Saturday night about 6:30.
We'll be here. Rockerbie Ranch, the place to be. By the way, Bart Bird, Tournament Director. You know, Bird, Surfing with the Birds, is catching on here at Rockerbie Ranch. You heard of that song?
You mean the one where they go, the bird, 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 the bird is a word, the bird,
That's
bird,
it!
The bird is a word.
He's got it! How about around Rockerbie Ranch? Check this out.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird, 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 bird.